Hi everybody, this is Hwarang. Today I'll be showing you an everyday nighttime skincare routine using FROMNATURE's products. With these 7 different products, you will wake up with a smooth and dewy skin in the morning. Cleansing water. This product effectively removes any makeup or dust without irritating your skin. Pour some of the product onto cotton pads and gently swipe your face in an outward motion. If you have any eye or lip makeup that's slightly harder to remove, gently press the cotton pad on those areas for 10 seconds, wait for the cleansing water to melt your makeup, and then swipe away. Once your face feels clean, wash with lukewarm water. This product is especially good for people with sensitive and dry skin since it's non-irritating and hydrating at the same time. Cleansing foam. Double cleansing is very important for removing any pollutants that may not be visible to our eyes. Take some cleansing foam onto your palms and rub them together until there's enough foam. Massage your whole face gently and wash off the cleanser with lukewarm water. Similar to the cleansing water, this cleanser foam does not leave your skin feeling dry. Essence. Pour some onto your hands and gently tap onto your skin. The warmth of your hands will help your skin absorb the product faster. If you feel that your skin is not as smooth and has a lot of dead skin cells, you can take some essence onto a cotton pad and gently swipe in an outward motion. If your skin feels irritated, you can also pour out some essence onto some cotton pads and use them as a face mask. Leave them on your skin for 3 to 5 minutes and tap the rest of the product into your skin. Ampoule. This ampoule is good for wrinkle care and also brightens your skin. Take 1 to 2 drops of the product and gently apply on your face. One thing to watch out for is not to use too much of it since this ampoule is highly concentrated, and applying too much can leave your skin feeling heavy. Fluid. Take some of the lotion onto your hands and gently apply on your face. This fluid is excellent for keeping the hydration and oil level in your skin balanced. This fluid is also useful in locking all the nutrients and hydration in your skin by forming a thin layer on your skin. Especially for those with sensitive and dry skin, this product will help keep your skin hydrated. Cream. This product will moisturize your skin and will make your skin youthful and dewy. Take some cream onto the back of your hand. Apply it on your face starting from the center of your face and then into the outer areas, such as your forehead and cheeks. Gently tap your skin and let your skin absorb the product. Apply the remaining product onto the neck in an upward motion. Eye cream. Take a small amount of the cream with your ring finger, then gently tap around your eyes to apply the product. Rub your fingers together and gently press against your under eye. The warmth on your fingers will let the product absorb. You can also tap the remaining product on your smile lines and also on your neck in an upward motion. This is the end of your everyday nighttime skincare routine. Your skin will feel very supple and healthy when you wake up in the morning. The products I used in this routine are listed in the description bar below. If you enjoyed this video and wish to watch more, you can subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.